All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. The folks over at Pitaka have come through heavy for us. The tactical weave cases are here, and man, I've been waiting to get these in. I've just been waiting to check them out. So as you can see here, they sent me two different colors, and I appreciate them sponsoring this video by sending these cases out. Obviously, it's the Amaret fiber, and it's light and durable, but they sent two colors. So we're gonna check out both colors. Oh, this is correct. Oh man, if you've never felt the weaved fiber like this, man, this tactical case is really nice, man. Just some materials in here. I want to show you the other color. Wow, this thing is so much more beautiful in person. Oh man, look at this, folks. Ooh wee. This is beautiful right here, man. These are two beautiful cases, and look, to see these in person, this color right here pops like crazy. I know a lot of people will just want to do the regular black and gray look here, depending on what color phone you have. But this is sick, man. This color is so nice in person. You can see the branding on here. This looks to be their new logo. This is their new lineup here, and this is their new logo with the cases. And wow, that thing is just beautiful, man. So you've got the cutouts here for the camera and the power, and then you got your volume and vibrate switch there, mute switch there. Along the bottom here, they don't have the slits anymore like they used to have on some of the other cases. So this is going to be a snug fit case. We're going to go in with the, I guess it really doesn't matter which side. Oh, I'll go this way first. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, this is going to be a snug fit case, folks. Just be mindful of that. If you're putting this case on, just know that when you put it on, it's going to be snug and fit. And so if you want to take it off, you just peel the corners like this on the case and move it forward. So let's try this side here. Yeah, this is the side. This is where you take it off. So putting this case on, you can go like this or like this. But I guess you need to go this way first, since that's the smooth side, and then work it on like that. Yeah, that's how you do it. So, wow. This case is just a beautiful case, man. It is MagSafe compatible, obviously, wireless charging compatible. It is everything under the sun beautiful. You got the little cutout around the camera module here, which is like a brushed gray color, which is really, really nice. And I think that's kind of what sets this apart, man. This also makes this color so nice. So we'll go ahead and try on both colors here, but I want to show them to you. Wow, shout out to Pitaka, man. Their new lineup is sweet. So this is what it looks like on the inside. I'm really feeling their new logo too. You got the Mag Easy Case 6 tech on here, so it's going to be a really snug magnetic attachment there. I'm going to show you right now how strong the magnet is. That's how strong that magnet is. Wow, this is a strong magnet. Yeah, you see the snap? That's what you want on a MagSafe case. You need to have it to where it literally is so tight, because when you're in your car and you're riding around, you want it to move around on your car mount. Your car mount shouldn't be moving like that. But the point is, if you hit a bump or something, you don't want a weak MagSafe magnet. And this one right here is actually really good. Yeah, this thing snaps into place. And when it's on the phone connected like this, it seems like it's even stronger. Look at that magnet, like get your wobble on. Wow. All right, let's go ahead and try on this color, this other color right here, and then we'll get out of here. But remember, you push on each corner and it pops right off. I thought this would be a hard case to get off, but it's actually not. So let's try this one here. Go in, remember, go in volume rocker side, because it's got the most smooth on it. Push in, boom. And, you know, I've learned that using these types of cases, because obviously this isn't my first case from Pitaka, but using this type of case, someone asked me, was it scratching up the sides? And the answer is no, it is not scratching up the sides. That's just the impressions that it makes, but it just wipes right off. So this is a beautiful, beautiful setup here, folks. Gotta love what Pitaka is doing here. I mean, look at the colors on here. This is fire right here too. Obviously this matches my phone perfectly. But, you know, you got to rock out with the green, man. Green Day, you know what I'm saying? So I got to have some green. But, man, look at the color on here. This is just a beautiful, obviously, again, this black and silver brush look is a beautiful combination or whatever. But you got to admit, this is really nice. Anyway, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. These cases from Pitaka, I will link them down below. And if you like this style of case, this is for people who want you want it to feel like there's not a case even there. This is who these cases are for. Just bear that in mind when you're using a case like this. But this new weaved, like this woven tactic, this thing is a different feel than any of the other Pitaka cases that I've brought in. This is a really good look right here. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Link to purchase is down below.